Hey, welcome back to the Horror Next Door. Just wanted to make a quick video, show off this Leatherface mask that I bought over a decade ago. Here is the Leatherface mask that I own. This is based on the 2003 remake. It is made by Addison Monroe, signed 2010. It's called the Tommy 2 mask. And this is the deluxe edition, because apparently he made one that didn't have real stitching. It just was like stitching that was in the mold, and then also he used a different kind of hair or something, I forget. So the hair is supposed to be better on this one, and then he actually cut parts of the mask and stitched them together, as you can see. But I love this mask. I've had this mask for a very long time, and I think it's probably one of the most accurate Leatherface masks from 2003. As far as a a private maker, not a mass-produced one. I think the Trick or Treat one looks pretty decent for a mass-produced mask, but this one, I love this one. So I'm going to put this on a stand, get some close-up shots of it, and then at the end I will wear it so you can see what it looks like. So there it is. Looks beautiful. If you had some crazy kind of teeth or dentures or something to put in, it would really sell the effect, showing off your teeth. But I love this mask. Always have. So happy to have it in my collection. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like. Please share it with all your friends that are horror movie lovers. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time.